Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pour 1 cup of vinegar down the drain and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then chase it down with very hot water. Vinegar is a wonder cleaner. It contains acetic acid, which acts as an excellent organic solvent in removing organic buildup of crud in pipes.
Take our lead.
Will baking soda hurt a septic system? Baking soda and other common household solutions such as vinegar are not harmful to your septic system. Harsh chemicals such as bleach and ammonia can disrupt the good bacteria in your septic tank and should not be used as part of a septic treatment.
Take our lead.
If your drains are clogging every month, it's wise to get them cleaned right away. As for maintenance, we recommend cleaning them every 2 years, but we may suggest more frequent cleanings if you have a large household and use the sinks a lot.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For best results, start by squirting a little dish soap into your drain, followed by a cup of vinegar and a cup of baking soda. Wait 5 minutes or so, for the chemical reaction of the vinegar and baking soda to take effect. Then chase that with a cup or more of boiling water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.